Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stella Simbi, and if you are new, please subscribe, and if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this twist wig. If you have watched my previous twist wig, how to make a twist wig video, I did say that I was going to show you how to do it using a needle. So that's what we are going to be doing in today's video. So guys, please watch till the end. I'm going to be using these styling braids. I used 4.5 and I did not cut them. I just put the ends to get rid of that blunt cut. So if you want to see like a more detailed tutorial, you can go check out my other video. The back I've already done it, so you can go see there. So my closure was 4x4 and I did 1 inch for the back part. So right here on the two sides, that is the front, I'm going to mark 2 inches, and after that I'm going to be marking quarter of an inch. Yeah, so I ended up having 7 lines. So right there I'm just going to mark my tracks. There are going to be 7 lines. So don't worry about the marker. You can just use makeup remover to remove it. It's simple as that. You can use concealer or anything to mark, and then after that you can just use makeup remover to remove the lines. So right here I'm done marking, and I'm going to take my braid and needle, and I'm going to be twisting at the middle of my braid like that. Then I'm going to put it on my needle, and each strand will pass through nicely. That's why I started by twisting the braid. So I'm going to hold one side and then pull one side out like that. And then after doing this, I'm going to place my needle on my lace on the lines that we marked like that. Just pass your needle through, and then after that hold one side and pass through one side. I'm going to be using water to twist, so just hold your 2 strands like that, then you can start twisting like that from the root until you finish the end. As simple as that. It's you just achieve the same result where is what you achieve when you're using a crochet. So just twist your braid on the middle, put it on your needle like that, then hold one side and pull one side out. And after that you can put your needle on the line that we marked, then you can pass it through and hold one side and pull one side out, then you can start twisting. Yeah, it's just simple as that. So if your crochet is broken, or if you don't have it, you can still achieve the same result as if you're using a crochet while you are using a needle. It's just the same thing. So guys, if you watched my previous video and you're like, oh, I want to make this wig but I don't have a crochet, well, it's not a problem. You can just use a needle and you can achieve the same thing, so don't be stressed. Yeah, so I'm just going to continue doing the same process, twisting my braid in the middle, putting it on the needle, then passing it through the lace, then start twisting. Yeah, so guys, watch, and don't forget to like. Yeah, I'm skipping about 5 rows between my twist. That's the gap that I'm leaving, and the line like 2 lines before my parting, I'm going to skip 3. Then the line or the last line on my parting, I'm going to be skipping 2 rows. So you can just space it a little more when you're at the back, but when you're reaching your parting, you start reducing the spacing, so that way it will look really nice. So just put your braid on your needle, then right here skip 2 rows in between your twist. And on my parting, I did skip 2 lines. That's going to be my parting. So just pull one side, then you can twist. Yeah, so guys, don't space too much and don't do them like you won't leave space, because you want it to look a little bit natural. So that's why I'm skipping 2 rows in between the twist, and then I skipped 2 lines for my parting, so that way it will look really nice. So I'm just going to finish this part, then we can talk more.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to
So guys, this is how it's looking after I'm done twisting. Yeah, do say what you think about this method in the comment section. This is the back, this is how it looks. And if you want to know how to do the back, do go check out my other twist video. The link is in the description box. Yeah guys, do go and check it out. That video is really detailed. So I'm going to be using my Revlon conditioner, and then I'm going to put hot water and place my wig in hot water. The reason why I put conditioner is because this conditioner makes your hair really soft and shiny. That's why I did that. So just continue with that and put it outside to dry. And after it was dry, I did spray my Iso Plus, yeah, to give it extra shine. Yeah. So guys, this is how you can do your wig using a needle if you don't have a crochet, or if your crochet is broken. So let me show you how I install it. Just simple, just put your wig like that. No need for glue, no need for anything. You can just put your wig and go. Yeah, it's really easy to install it. So thank you so much guys for watching. If you have watched to this point, thank you so much guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment your thoughts, comment what you think about this method. Thank you so much. And if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you. I will be seeing you in my next video. Yeah, I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Goodbye.